We spent almost 10 days here in Alicante sailing with the boat. We have to prepare the boat, put the boat in the water, and now everything is ready. The boat is there. We're gonna go for a little sail today, and then on Sunday we're gonna leave. No? We go to Canary Island, which is a place that we like a lot. It's a very good place for training. We go into Lanzarote because we like a lot. No? We go to Marina Rubicon, which is a place that is perfect for Volvo 70. It's a big area to work, and I mean, we enjoy it a lot. The people is very nice, but we obviously go because the wind is very good, and then it's you in the ocean. No? I mean, you have big waves, big swells, and the sea breeze is pretty strong there. So that's the main objective now. Go there, be able to sail with the strong winds, break what we have to break before the race, obviously, then to try to don't have problems during the race. No? So that's the main objective there, and hopefully we're going to be able to do it properly.
Well, we have been some weeks here in Alicante. As all of you know, we built the boat in Alginet in Valencia, and then we came here and we've been putting the boat together, the mast and sails, and we've been sailing a couple of days, and these days this first phase is quite important, so we put everything working and making ready for the trip. No? Now, like a second phase, we go to Canary Island, to Lanzarote, and we will try to do the 2,000 miles for qualify for the race and see what happens. No? We will try to push as much as possible, try to have the problems now, and try to do a good preparation for the boat. I think then we will have a couple of months in Lanzarote, and will be very good, and I hope the boat will be all good. No? It's the first time for most of us that we sail in a 1K boat, and we are pretty excited just watching the performance they had the last two Volvos. So we are all good and looking forward for the trip.